Hi everyone, my name is Harit Himanshu and welcome to my course Unit Testing in Scala. I'm co-founder of Bonsai Labs, the place where we create software for startups and provide mentoring to learners around the world on software development ecosystem. Scala is a wonderful language to work with and it helps you become a better programmer in general. As you write more Scala, you must learn to write tests for the code you write and provide the evidence that your understanding matches with the expectation. ScalaTest is a library that is a pleasure to work with when it comes to writing tests. In this course, we are going to learn the fundamentals of ScalaTest such as a test, suite, different testing styles, and how to run your test in different methods. We are going to work with assertion-based test and then evolve our understanding to write tests with matchers. We will then write test fixtures for our test and learn how to test asynchronous code. And we will learn to create, apply, and run tests based on tags. And what's more exciting is that we will do this by testing an actual project. We will create more than 70 tests together throughout this course. By the end of this course, you will know everything to integrate ScalaTest in your project and test like a pro. Before beginning this course, you should be comfortable in reading and writing Scala. If you are starting with Scala, you may want to check out Scala the Big Picture, Scala Fundamentals, and SPT Getting Started courses on Pluralsight. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn ScalaTest with Unit Testing in Scala course at Pluralsight.